Mastering legal vocabulary. Navigating the terrain of disciplinary actions and sanctions. Hello learners! Today we'll be delving into an exciting area of legal vocabulary under the umbrella of legal ethics and professionalism. Disciplinary actions and sanctions. This topic is important not just for legal professionals, but for anyone keen on understanding the system that holds professionals accountable. By the end of this video, you'll be familiar with key terms and concepts around this topic, enhancing your professional vocabulary. In the legal realm, disciplinary actions are steps taken to correct or penalize a professional or entity when they have violated established rules, regulations, or ethical standards. Such actions might include a warning, a reprimand, suspension, or even disbarment in severe cases. Key terms in this section are: warning, a notice of disapproval regarding a minor misconduct. It serves to caution the individual about their inappropriate actions. Reprimand, a more serious form of criticism for a violation. A reprimand is often issued for repeated or significant misconduct. Suspension, this involves temporarily barring a professional from practicing their profession due to serious or recurrent misconduct. Disbarment, the most severe disciplinary action. It involves revoking a lawyer's license to practice law, often due to serious ethical violations or criminal activities. Moving on, let's talk about sanctions. In a legal context, sanctions refer to penalties or other means of enforcement used to provide incentives for obedience with the law, or with rules and regulations. Some common types of sanctions include fines, monetary penalties levied as punishment for an offense. Restitution, a sanction that requires the offender to compensate the victim for any harm or loss caused. Probation, a period of supervision over an offender, instead of serving time in prison. Incarceration, the state of being confined in prison as a form of punishment. Understanding the relationship between disciplinary actions and sanctions can give us a more holistic view of how professional conduct is regulated and controlled in the legal field. While disciplinary actions can be seen as a mechanism to correct behavior and ensure compliance with standards, sanctions serve as a deterrent, seeking to prevent such misconduct from occurring in the first place. Well, that brings us to the end of our journey through the landscape of disciplinary actions and sanctions in legal ethics and professionalism. We've explored disciplinary actions like warnings, reprimands, suspension, and disbarment, and sanctions like fines, restitution, probation, and incarceration. With this knowledge in hand, you'll be better equipped to understand and discuss these critical aspects of professional conduct in the legal field. Keep practicing these new words and concepts, and you'll find your legal vocabulary strengthening day by day. Happy learning!